Hello guys, this is a 2007 Toyota Tundra second generation, and today I will be resetting the maintenance required light. And in this Toyota Tundra, that is distinct from the check engine light, which you can see here on the left. So in order to do that, I am going to turn off the vehicle, and then I will press and hold this button while I turn on the ignition. I should see some lines down here, and after the lines, I keep holding the button, and after the lines change to zeros, then I can let go, and then that will reset my maintenance required light. So you turn off the vehicle right now, and then since I'm using one hand, you guys bear with me, but I'll press and hold and then turn on the ignition. Without starting the car, you can see the lines right there. Boom, 000. All right, that means my light should be reset right now. Okay, let's check it out, and bingo, it's gone. So that is how you reset your maintenance required light on the second generation Toyota Tundra. And to do that, make sure that this is on trip A. So you put it on trip A before you do the procedure. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye.